Behind every strong audit is a solid methodology and well-prepared work papers. In this video, we'll explore how methodologies guide the audit process and how work papers document the evidence that supports your conclusions. Why methodologies matter. Methodologies are the structured approaches auditors use to plan, execute, and report audits. They ensure consistency, efficiency, and compliance with professional standards. Without a methodology, audits risk being fragmented and unreliable. Components of audit methodology. Key components include 1. Risk-based planning, focusing on areas of greatest risk. 2. Control testing, verifying design and effectiveness. 3. Evidence gathering, interviews, sampling, analytics. 4. Reporting, clear communication of findings and recommendations. This framework ensures audits add value and align with organizational objectives. Role of work papers. Work papers are the backbone of audit documentation. They 1. Record procedures performed. 2. Capture evidence collected. 3. Support conclusions and recommendations. 4. Provide a trail for quality review and external validation. Think of work papers as the audit diary. They show what was done, why, and how. Best practices for work papers. To make work papers effective. 1. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargon. 2. Link evidence directly to findings. 3. Ensure completeness. Document all relevant steps. 4. Maintain confidentiality and secure storage. 4. Use standardized templates for consistency. 5. Good work papers make audits defensible and credible. Common pitfalls. Pitfalls to avoid include 1. Incomplete documentation. 2. Overly technical notes without context. 3. Failing to link evidence to conclusions. 4. Poor organization that makes review difficult. 5. Avoiding these pitfalls strengthens audit quality and reliability. Even when you're not around, your work papers should be able to speak for themselves. Reworking your documentation is necessary if you have to explain every aspect to a reasonable person. Methodologies provide the roadmap, and work papers provide the evidence. Together, they ensure audits are consistent, credible, and impactful. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell for more governance and audit insights from the GRC Sentinel. And tell us, what's your best tip for preparing effective work papers?